Hey, what's up? I want to share with you the most recent results from a service that's listed on Vetted that essentially boosts your Google My Business or GMB listing ranking within just a couple of weeks. And the good thing about this is that the results are quite consistent. The expert doing these knows exactly what he's doing and can basically pump out results like the ones you're seeing here, like clockwork. So in this video, I want to go over exactly what this service is, who's actually doing it, and in the end give you a coupon so you can actually try it for yourself, either in one of your sites or on a client's site, because I can assure you that you won't be disappointed because this actually works, and I'm going to show you the receipts that actually prove it. So with that being said, let's hop in inside my computer and let's get this video started. All right, so we're here and this is a service. The service is from someone named Michael Merlino, and if you're into the SEO space, you for sure know who he is. I'm going to show you that even though the service hasn't gotten any reviews just yet, because he joined 2 weeks ago, it already has a ton of orders. However, because this is a service that takes time to complete, because results are not instant, people haven't yet gotten their orders delivered, making it so they haven't yet been able to leave a review. Now, here's the first result I wanted to show you. This is from my Facebook group. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to join. It is essentially a place where I share SEO tips, you share SEO tips, so we can all learn and be a bit better at SEO. So this is a review from Robert, and he says, he hired Michael on the 25th of November, so last month, for some CTR manipulation, and I don't think I need to say much as the results below speaks for themselves. And this will be the theme throughout all this video, because he has a bunch of results here. He doesn't hide anything, because the results do speak for themselves. This is the before, as you can see. I'm going to grab my pencil tool right here. All of these on here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just look at the difference, right? All these were yellow, right? Now we see them in the top 3. This is all these are number 2. We can see that, I mean, I guess I can explain this. The greener this is, the better, right? We went from here to here, meaning that for this certain keyword, this GMB listing, this Google My Business listing, is ranking when searched. Is ranking on the position that's written here when searched from these locations. So from this to this, you can simply see how much more exposure this business is getting, right? And exposure in this case means calls, means more business. So from essentially less than a month, this service got these results. And the results again speak for themselves. Look at this one. From this to this. From even red to even orange into yellow here. All the green populating it here. So the rankings the business are achieving are insane. This service is super valuable. Now, what is essentially this service? And before I tell you what it is exactly, I want to tell you that don't hope to just buy this service and use it on a non-optimized GMB listing and expect it to work. It can work, but it'd be 10 times harder, right? You need to first optimize it, optimize your GMB. And you don't need to fully optimize it. I mean, the more you optimize it, the better. And I do have a service where I can audit your GMB. If you don't want to purchase that service, I do have a video here somewhere on my channel where I go over exactly how to audit the GMB. It's a half an hour video, half an hour long, and exactly what you should do. Here's the link for the video audit as well. But essentially, what it boils down to is, if I can, for example, search here for Dentist Dallas, really quickly, if I click this first listing right here, it is essentially prepping the listing before you do any kind of work like this. Because, I mean, you can do this, you can send this service to a non-optimized listing, but you'll see better results if you optimize the listing prior, right? So from having real photos, so no stock photos, from constantly uploading them to your GMB photos and videos, make sure you think of your GMB listing as a living entity, right? Make sure you keep on feeding it photos, keep on feeding it videos, no stock photos though, okay? Make sure to write the GMB posts, right? Make sure to add the Q&As, make sure you keep getting reviews, make sure you reply to the reviews, make sure that the reviews that are written are both keyword and location optimized. Make sure the replies are optimized as well. Same thing goes for the Q&A section. Make sure all these are correct. Make sure the NAP, the name, address, and phone number are consistent across your site, across all your citations. And if you have all of that, again, I go over all that in detail in this video, you essentially have the GMB prepped, right? But the main thought process is that think of your GMB listing as a living entity, because if you think of this as a living entity and you keep on feeding it photos, videos, posts, Google will see that this is an active business. This is a business that's getting reviews, that's putting photos of them at work, that's posting updates of their business, new services, whatever it is. So Google is more likely to show these businesses to more people because it knows that this is an active listing for an active business. So it wants to show it to more people because your listing now is perceived as a higher quality listing than all the ones down here that don't even bother adding photos, getting reviews, adding GMB posts, right? It only makes sense that Google will promote the listings that are more active, meaning those are the listings that are getting more business, right? And so when you have that, services like the one from Mike, the GMB booster, done for you CTR service, you can even read through exactly what is CTR, click-through rate manipulation or click-through rate traffic, and how Mike can help you exactly and what he'll do. And what he'll do essentially is get you results like the ones you see here. Okay, pretty straightforward. And I do want to give you a coupon. The coupon will be blasted here on screen, so you can use that. I'm going to cap it at 10 uses because it is what it is. We cannot all lose money on this. And if you don't know, Vetted takes a very, very small commission off of every sale. So yeah, I'm going to leave the coupon here. If you want to give it a go ahead. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you find this valuable. And let me know in the comments what you think, what kind of videos you want to see. You want to see more technical videos, more link building videos? Let me know because I'll do videos on whatever you guys want to see. Okay, cheers.